Check him out, you guys. Look at him. It's a really, really nice size too. Really, really decent one. Got stuck right in his top. Gonna take that out real quick. There we go. Check him out, you guys. He is beautiful, man. Really, really decent sized bass, man. He looks amazing, bro. Oh, he looks amazing, though, man. Check him out, you guys. Nice sized bass. He looks really, really cool, man. Let's throw him back for you guys. Take a really good look at him, you guys. Let's throw him back, bro. Thank you for biting, buddy. Let's throw him back, you guys. Thank you for biting, buddy. Thumbs up on the video.